We'll analyze gold and USD. Let's start with the monthly time frame and see what we have on the monthly time frame. So currently gold is a very much bullish. Last time if you remember we discussed this pair and we discussed the bearish momentum for gold, but gold did not provide us any good confirmation for sell and go all the way bullish. So currently gold at a monthly resistance. Monthly level always get respected in different manners. So here we have a monthly level. So let's go down to the weekly time frame. Here we have a weekly resistance and gold break this resistance and go all the way bullish, and currently gold at a monthly level as well. So here we have a monthly support, weekly support. Here we have a daily level, and gold break this ranging zone and go all the way bullish. So let's discuss gold on a day trade setup and see what we have on a day trade setup. Let's bring our RSI indicator as well. So as we see that gold break this resistance and go all the way bullish, and currently gold at a monthly resistance as well. So what we expect next from gold? Also if we see that gold go all the way bullish and without any much retracement at all, what we expect next from gold? We expect that gold respect this zone because this is a monthly level as well. So gold respect this zone and create some bearish structure at this point, and we look for the sell opportunity. Also if we look for the RSI indicator, it shows the sell signal as well. So what we expect and what is our target as well? So here we have, here we draw Fibonacci retracement from bottom to top. So as we see 0.618 level exactly match with our support here we have. So we follow the price action at the lower time frame like H1 here. Here we see here gold show us a signal as well. This candle is a confirmation candle for us. Now we look for the sell right here and our stop loss right above this zone, and our target should be this one. This would be a very good sell in terms of risk to reward on a day trade setup, because gold create a resistance at the lower time frame, and we look for the sell option according to the lower time frame confirmation candle for better risk to reward. So we expect that gold respect this area and go all the way bullish and hit our target. So we look for the sell option on the lower time frame as per day setup for better risk to reward. So this is all we have for this pair. We look for the sell option and target this area on a day trade setup. Thanks.